In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save OneNote to OneDrive quickly and correctly, so your notes are synced online and protected in the cloud. This is especially useful if you want access to your notebook from multiple devices, or if you want to make sure your work is backed up automatically without having to worry about saving manually. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open OneNote and look to the top left corner of the app. You'll see the name of your current notebook there. Click that notebook name to open the drop-down menu. This menu is where you can manage notebooks and choose where you want them stored. Once the menu opens, click Add Notebook. That starts the process of creating a new notebook in OneDrive, instead of keeping it only on your local device. Now you'll see a list of available locations. Under Locations, select your OneDrive account. This is the key step, because choosing OneDrive is what connects your notebook to cloud storage. After that, click inside the text box and give your notebook a name. Try to choose a clear, easy-to-recognize name so you can find it later without confusion. Once the name is entered, click Create Notebook. After you create it, OneNote will begin storing your notes in OneDrive automatically. From this point forward, everything you type inside that notebook saves instantly in the background. You do not need to press a manual Save button, because OneNote handles that for you. That means your changes are continuously updated and synced as you work, which is one of the biggest advantages of saving to OneDrive. But to make sure everything is fully synced and secure, there's one more important step. Right-click the name of your notebook in the navigation sidebar. In the menu that appears, click Sync this notebook now. This tells OneNote to immediately send any recent changes up to OneDrive, instead of waiting for automatic syncing later. After you click it, a small status icon will appear next to the notebook name. That icon shows that OneNote is syncing your notebook in the background. Wait for the icon to disappear. Once it disappears, that means your latest changes have been successfully secured in OneDrive. And that's it. Your OneNote notebook is now saved to OneDrive and syncing properly. This is a great way to keep your notes backed up, accessible, and always up to date across all your devices. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.